up we go. There's no fur in the door, but the neighbor also said that they saw the squirrel tugging at this. Out she comes. There's the hole. We'll bend you back in. These puppies in. So this is a customer in Guelph. We actually did a video on it not that long ago where they had squirrels, and we did a siding exclusion. We still have 2 more intersections we have to fill in up here. All right, so we're reinforcing these intersections. Basically, we're just kind of adding some support. Once upon a time, pop this out of here, you can see they had some exclusion done for bats. I'm not sure when this was done. This isn't our hardware, so I know it wasn't us, but it's already been beamed in with copper elastic. It's got a little bit of bat mesh here, but we're going to slap some stronger stuff over top of it. All right, so this is what our sealed intersection looks like. We're tapped in down low. That actually is what keeps it folded into the base. Runs all the way up, nice and neat. So tapped in there. You can see your waterproofing's kind of splurging out from underneath the screw. Okay, and this is just the other intersection. It's literally the mirror image of the one behind us. And now every intersection on this house has now been covered. All their attic vents are covered, their plumbing vents are sealed. The siding where the issue was at the side of the house, that's all been excluded. There's no more squirrels in the house. And this job, just like all the others, they've indicated that they don't have any more noises and they haven't heard anything for quite a while. 0 activity, so it's safe to actually pull the door down.